Hi there, Markerbuoy with you again, this time up to my eyeballs in summer projects. And I'll be showing you some of the projects that are happening all over the place in later posts. But in the meantime, I think it's time for a wildlife break. Just a little bit of peace and tranquility. Recently, Jane or B got some really neat close-up shots of hummingbirds over on our island, feeding on some Montbretia plants, beautiful, bright red Montbretia. And I thought you might be interested in taking a look. Absolutely amazing, those little birds. Now, it's just occurred to me that some of you may have seen previous videos that I posted on my channel, making a glass dragonfly and also making a glass eagle. That's the most recent video. And one of the most popular glass items that we make is a little glass hummingbird. I make these in two different sizes, in all sorts of different colors. And if you have a look at my videos that I just mentioned, you'll get a really neat idea of what's involved in making some of these glass items. Once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.